This video shows how you can see if there are any new updates for your Mac system. To see the updates, what you have to do is click on this Apple logo at the top left corner of the screen and then click on about this Mac. Once you click on that, there you will find the software update button in the overview tab. You have to click on that and then you will be taken to Apple Store, where it will display if there are any updates available for your Mac system. It also shows the history of updates, so you can see that last time it was the security update was installed on my system, and it also shows the version and the time or the date on which that update was installed. Before that there was Safari update, Safari browser update, and before that there was command line tools update for the Xcode. Before that there was macOS High Sierra update 10.13.6. So right now you can see that there are no updates available. My system is up to date. That means if there are any updates available for you, that will be displayed at the top of the screen, and then you can just click on update and then update your system. It is recommended that you keep your system up to date with all the updates. Thanks for watching this video.